Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. At the turn of the millennium, the automotive world was changing fast. SUVs were no longer niche vehicles for off-road enthusiasts, they had become the new family transport of choice. In 2000, Toyota decided to enter this growing arena with a statement of strength, comfort, and dependability. That statement came in the form of the Toyota Sequoia, a full-size SUV built not only to compete with American heavyweights like the Ford Expedition and Chevrolet Tahoe, but to redefine what durability and refinement meant in this segment. The First Generation Sequoia, known internally as the XK40, stood as Toyota's boldest American-built SUV, designed, engineered, and assembled in the United States for families who demanded both muscle and reliability. From the outside, the 2000 Sequoia carried a commanding presence. Its design borrowed heavily from the contemporary Tundra pickup, with bold lines, a wide stance, and a front fascia that projected rugged confidence. The chrome-accented grille, large multi-reflector headlights, and sculpted fenders gave it a purposeful yet refined aesthetic. The body-on-frame construction hinted at its truck-based origins, but the Sequoia's design team aimed for something more than just utility. Its proportions were carefully balanced, broad enough to convey toughness, but sleek enough to look at home in the suburbs. The name Sequoia itself, inspired by the towering trees of California, symbolized endurance, strength, and timelessness, traits that became synonymous with Toyota's reputation. Under the hood, the Sequoia was powered by a 4.7-liter I-Force V8 engine, an all-aluminum powerhouse producing 240 horsepower and 315 pound-foot of torque. This engine, shared with the Tundra, was smooth, quiet, and exceptionally reliable. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it delivered confident acceleration, whether merging onto highways or towing heavy loads. The Sequoia was available in both rear-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations, the latter featuring a 2-speed transfer case and a locking center differential for improved traction in challenging terrain. Despite its size and power, the V8 was remarkably refined, a key factor that separated the Sequoia from its domestic rivals, which often emphasized brute strength over smoothness. Ride quality was another area where the Sequoia excelled. Toyota's engineers prioritized comfort and composure, equipping it with independent double wishbone front suspension and a solid rear axle with coil springs. This setup allowed the Sequoia to handle road imperfections gracefully while maintaining stability and towing confidence. Whether navigating city streets or cruising down long interstates, the Sequoia managed to feel secure, predictable, and comfortable, qualities that appealed to growing families seeking a versatile, long-term companion. Inside, the Sequoia offered the kind of thoughtful ergonomics and build quality that Toyota had become famous for. The cabin was spacious, accommodating up to 8 passengers across 3 rows. Soft-touch materials, intuitive controls, and large windows created a bright and open environment. The second and third rows were designed with family use in mind. Both could fold to expand cargo space, transforming the Sequoia into a capable hauler for weekend adventures. Higher trims, such as the Limited, added leather upholstery, automatic climate control, and premium audio luxuries that gave the SUV an upscale edge over competitors. The interior's durability also stood out. Many first-generation Sequoias are still on the road today with their original materials holding up remarkably well. Safety was another cornerstone of Toyota's approach. The 2000 Sequoia came standard with dual front airbags and anti-lock brakes, while higher trims added features like electronic stability control and traction assist. Toyota's reputation for reliability extended into its safety engineering. Components were built to last, systems to perform consistently, and maintenance to remain straightforward. The Sequoia quickly gained a reputation as one of the most dependable large SUVs in its class, earning praise from families and adventurers alike. Beyond specifications, the Sequoia represented Toyota's understanding of the American automotive spirit. It was built at Toyota's Princeton, Indiana plant, a clear sign of the brand's commitment to the U.S. market. It combined Japanese engineering discipline with American scale and practicality. The result was an SUV that could haul, tow, and climb, yet remain refined enough for school runs or cross-country trips. Over time, the Sequoia became a trusted member of countless families, a symbol of Toyota's balance between strength and reliability. The first generation Sequoia's success laid the foundation for everything that came after. It proved Toyota could build a full-size SUV that stood toe-to-toe with long-established American competitors while delivering superior quality and longevity. Its design, engineering, and purpose reflected a company evolving with the times, confident, capable, and deeply connected to its drivers' needs. In retrospect, the 2000 Sequoia wasn't just a new model, it was Toyota's pledge to the full-size SUV world. A promise of endurance, reliability, and strength, one that still echoes across the generations that followed. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.